welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Alright, so here we are at the Dollar Tree and I am vlogging, so you're going to hear stuff in the background. I am showing you this Dollar Tree because they seem to have some really nice stuff. So here we have some of the bells and the gold and the silver, and here's some wood items here. Here's a gnome, and here's some of the wood ornament slices. Okay, so behind me we do have some books, and I have a surprise for you guys in July though. All right, so we have some of the flexible stencil, which those are really nice. We have some of the embellishments, and look at this. So we have some of the signs here in the wood, and look at this. I don't think I ever seen this. Love the laser cut items. Here we have the applicator bottles and the organizer box, and look at this. So here we have the standard grip, and we also have some Mod Podge. We have the matte finish and the gloss finish. We also have some glue sticks. All right, so what is this over here? Oh look, we have the gems. So we have them in pink and we have them in green. That's really nice. So we also have some paint, and we have some sponges. We also have the spray bottles, and we have some of the paint brushes. These are my favorite right here. Okay, and we have some stencil brushes right there, the chunky, and here's some paint. Now I haven't tried this brand, Crafters Outdoor. This is chalk paint. Like, I haven't tried this right here. Let's see, we also have some flakes. So here is the rose gold, the gold, and the silver flakes you can use. Then we have some of the ceramic characters, and we also have some of the stand-up decor, which I'm really liking. There's the pineapple right there. All right, so we have some canvases along the bottom. I'm really liking the size. I like that for $1.25. I'm probably gonna get 2 of those, but I'll get my stuff after I'm done with the video. Now, I don't think I've ever seen these. I like that, and they have the beaded hanger. So this is really pretty. These are the paints that they have. Now, we'll say this. I don't vouch for the Prang guys. I really don't. But I do vouch for this one. Acrylicology. I hope I'm saying that right. I do vouch for that one. I have not tried the Crayola ones. I imagine those are good. Here's stamp blocks. Okay, and I like these. Hanging wood decor. This is the clay craft tool, the ink pad. Here's the permanent writing white stickers, and here is the X-Acto knife. All right, so look at this. I don't think I've seen this before. Let's see. So we have some decor pieces. All right. Yeah, I don't think I've ever seen these before. Then here we have some more. Oh look, those are bees, I think. Okay. And some butterflies. I don't want to knock this stuff down, guys. And they already have the little hinge in the back so you can hang them up. Okay, so here's a silicone coaster mold, and that's in the heart shape. Here is the round. We have some tulle. What is that, a metal plaque? The double-sided tape. Okay, and then here we have the craft spatula, and we have the felt numbers. Here you have some clamps, pom-pom makers, the felt sheets. Guys, I usually go in detail when I come into this section just to show you guys. So I like doing that. I love doing that. So here we have the chunky glitter. So here is the gold. I can't pull it out. Here is the, what is this? The hot pink. The blue, the silver. And there you have the beads. Okay, so here are the finger protectors. I probably grabbed some of those, the googly eyes. And here are the clothespins. So here are some cardboard tags and the foam stickers. And here's the galvanized metal numbers. And here is the embroidery needle bundle. Here is the scraper. All right, so you have some scrap fabric there, and then here are all of the wooden cubes for crafting, and here's the droppers. And these are made of glass, guys. Let's see. This is the iron on art, and here are the dowels. Okay, so I like the 4-pack because they're smaller, so I think I may get some of those. Okay. Then we have some more here. Like here, I'm sorry guys, I got some people in this aisle. All right, so here we have the burlap, and there we have the black, the wooden blocks. And guys, if you keep a close eye, you'll see how they're carrying so much more stuff. Acrylic board, never seen that. Look at the little mini container jars. And then you have those. All right, so here's the chenille stems and some more beads. Here is the yarn. I haven't gone behind me, so this is gonna be a long video. The pool noodle knife. I absolutely love these guys. These are so nice. So they have them in different shapes. So you have, see how that one looks different? And then you also have the square. And then you have this kind of square. Aren't they beautiful? I love working with these. I love working with the crosses. So that's pretty neat. This says Merry and Bright. So as you can see, they have a lot of the decor all mixed in. So here's some more crosses. I like that castle. I like that station wagon, guys. And here is the heart, and I'm liking these. So this is all the wood. I like these. So these are like little pallets. And I like the truck. All the wood items I like because I love to DIY. So now look at all these fat quarters, guys, the fabrics. Not sure, I would have to go through these better, more. And then you have the candle holders. I like these jars, but I like them with the crystal top. Now these are ceramic plates right here. These make some nice gifts. You can personalize them. I love those. I love the white fabric. All right, so you have the little lanterns over there. Some more wood items here, some more candle holders, and here are some of the stickers. Okay, then you also have here the candles, guys. All right, so you have the tapered ones, the battery operated ones, and you have the candle holders. And I am loving these. I don't know if you've seen them or used them. I used them today. They are wonderful. I love them. And of course you have all the candle holders. And so I'm really loving these. Can't wait to use them. I'll be using these soon. And I love the candle holders, guys, in the gold and the silver. And all right, so I do like the woven baskets. And then let's see, so here's a tulip, and then here I like this is really nice. And there's my chubby birds. So let's go and turn around on this side. We'll go through this side quickly. Now, it used to be that these mirrors right here, they were not in stock. They brought them back in stock. I absolutely love these frames. I do like these as well. These are really nice. The certificate holders. I do like these gold ones. Okay. Just kind of showing you real quick what they have. And he says powder room. I like these. I never seen these before. Beyond Blast. And over here they have the floating shelves. And I don't know about you, but I really like these. I gotta think of a DIY, guys, for those. Look at this. Love lives here. And they have some more floating shelves there, and the acrylic ones too. So I'm kind of looking for some ribbons because we have a collaboration coming up. We mean everybody in the collaboration right now. It is an open collab, and everyone is welcome to join. It's called Ribbon and Bows, and I'm so excited. So I don't see too much ribbon that I would like to use. So here are the vases that the Dollar Tree's carrying from $3 to $5. Okay, the smaller ones of course are $1.25 there along the bottom, and then we just start going up from there. So we have quite a bit here. There's some flowers, and look at that, all of these florals right here, guys, are all Christmas. The majority is Christmas. So we have some of that, and then over here we have the books. So we have the coloring books, and we have the washable markers and the letters and a lot of school stuff, a lot of educational stuff, and Bible stuff, believe it or not. And then over here we have the actual books. So I'm really happy I got a chance to show this to you. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.